fully implantable artificial heart. Meet the fully implantable artificial heart, a revolutionary medical device designed to save lives and transform heart care. Unlike traditional heart support systems, this advanced artificial heart is completely implanted inside the body, with no external tubes or wires, making it safer and more convenient for patients. In this video, you'll see how it works. Its smart pumping system keeps blood flowing naturally, while sensors constantly monitor and adjust circulation to meet the body's needs. This technology gives patients a new chance at life, helping them regain mobility, independence, and a better quality of life. It's designed for long-term use, with safety and reliability as top priorities, making it a true breakthrough in medical engineering. Beyond just being a life-saving device, the fully implantable artificial heart represents the future of healthcare, showing how advanced technology can work seamlessly with the human body. Whether you're interested in medicine, futuristic healthcare, or life-saving innovations, this device demonstrates how science and engineering come together to make incredible things possible. Watch as this artificial heart gives hope, freedom, and a second chance to those with severe heart conditions, highlighting the amazing progress of modern medicine and the incredible potential of technology to improve human life. Google Quantum AI X Prize. Step into the future of computing with the Google Quantum AI X Prize, an exciting competition that's pushing the boundaries of what computers can do. This global challenge brings together the smartest scientists, engineers, and innovators to create powerful quantum computers that can solve problems far beyond the reach of traditional computers. In this video, you'll see how teams are developing advanced algorithms, building innovative hardware, and using cutting-edge AI to unlock the full potential of quantum technology. The competition highlights amazing breakthroughs in speed, efficiency, and problem-solving, showing how quantum computing could transform fields like medicine, climate science, cryptography, and more. You'll also get a glimpse of the creativity and teamwork involved as these brilliant minds compete to make history. The Google Quantum AI X Prize isn't just about winning. Hard Drive Marine. The Hard Drive Marine is an exciting and powerful personal watercraft built for fun, speed, and adventure on the water. Its sleek and modern design lets it glide smoothly across lakes, rivers, and coastal areas, giving riders a thrilling experience every time. With a strong engine, it accelerates quickly, providing fast and energetic rides while staying stable and easy to control. Perfect for water sports lovers and adventure seekers, the Hard Drive Marine combines performance, style, and comfort. Its comfortable seating and simple controls make it easy for beginners to ride, while experienced riders can enjoy sharp turns, high-speed glides, and smooth maneuvers over waves. Its lightweight but sturdy design ensures safety, stability, and balance, making every ride fun and stress-free. Whether you want to race across open water, explore rivers, or enjoy a relaxing cruise, the Hard Drive Marine turns every trip into an unforgettable adventure. Its stylish and futuristic look adds to the thrill while improving handling and performance. Every ride feels free, exciting, and full of energy, giving riders a unique and enjoyable experience on the water. The Hard Drive Marine is the perfect choice for anyone who loves adventure, speed, and endless fun on the water. Molly Robotic Kitchen. Imagine a kitchen that cooks for you, perfectly and effortlessly. Welcome to the Molly Robotic Kitchen. This futuristic kitchen uses smart robotic arms to chop, stir, and cook meals with amazing precision, following recipes just like a professional chef. From breakfast to dinner and even desserts, everything is prepared perfectly, saving you time and effort. In this video, you'll see how the Molly Kitchen works step by step, from picking ingredients to plating delicious dishes, all without anyone touching a pan. It's designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more fun, whether you're a busy professional, a food lover, or someone who just wants a stress-free kitchen. Beyond just convenience, this robotic kitchen shows how technology is transforming everyday life, bringing innovation and intelligence right into your home. The video highlights its smart systems, precise movements, and how it can create gourmet-quality meals every time. Multiply Labs Scales Robotics. Meet Multiply Labs Scales Robotics, an amazing automation system that's changing the way factories and workplaces operate. This innovative technology uses smart robots to handle complex tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently, making production faster and more reliable. In this video, you'll see how these robots can manage repetitive jobs, assemble products, and move materials with incredible precision, reducing mistakes and keeping operations running smoothly. By taking care of the tasks that are time-consuming or difficult for humans, Multiply Labs Scales Robotics allows workers to focus on more important, creative, or strategic work. Its advanced design and intelligent systems make it perfect for modern industries looking to improve productivity, safety, and efficiency. You'll get a closer look at how the robots work together seamlessly, using cutting-edge sensors and technology to make decisions in real time. This system isn't just about speed, it's about smarter, safer, and more reliable manufacturing. For anyone interested in robotics, technology, or the future of industry, Multiply Labs Scales Robotics shows how intelligent machines are reshaping workplaces, making processes easier, and improving results. Nuclear fusion. Meet nuclear fusion, a revolutionary technology that could change the way we power the world. Unlike traditional energy sources that rely on burning fuels or splitting atoms, fusion creates energy by combining atomic nuclei, similar to how the sun produces light and heat. This process releases an enormous amount of energy while producing almost no harmful emissions, making it a clean and safe alternative to fossil fuels. In this video, you'll see how scientists and engineers are working on building fusion reactors, capable of generating massive amounts of electricity using simple, abundant elements like hydrogen. These reactors are designed to provide a reliable energy source that could meet the growing demands of our planet while helping combat climate change. Fusion energy promises not only limitless power, but also a safer and more sustainable future, free from the pollution and risks associated with traditional energy methods. Perfect for science enthusiasts, innovators, and anyone curious about the next big breakthrough in energy, nuclear fusion shows how advanced technology and human ingenuity are coming together to create solutions for the planet's future. NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72. Meet the NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72, a super powerful computing system built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. This next-generation platform is designed for extreme performance, making it perfect for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data processing, and scientific research. In this video, you'll see how the Vera Rubin NVL72 uses advanced GPUs, lightning-fast processing, and intelligent architecture to run complex computations quickly and efficiently. Whether it's training AI models, running large-scale simulations, or managing massive amounts of data, this system makes even the toughest tasks manageable. Its sleek design and high efficiency mean it not only performs exceptionally, but also stays reliable and precise under heavy workloads. Orbit Space Rider. Step into the future of space travel with the Orbit Space Rider, an incredible vehicle designed to take humans beyond Earth. This futuristic craft combines advanced technology, safety, and comfort to make space exploration exciting and accessible. In this video, you'll see how the Orbit Space Rider works, from its powerful propulsion systems to its sleek design built for zero-gravity environments. Whether it's gliding through low Earth orbit, experiencing breathtaking views of our planet, or testing the latest spaceflight innovations, this vehicle makes space feel closer than ever. You'll get a close look at how its smart systems and high-tech features ensure a smooth, safe, and unforgettable journey. Rocket Lab Neutron Rocket. Meet the Rocket Lab Neutron Rocket, a powerful and reusable rocket that's set to change the way we reach space. This next-generation vehicle is designed to carry satellites, cargo, and even crew into orbit safely, efficiently, and reliably. In this video, you'll see how the Neutron rocket works, from its advanced engines to its smart design that allows it to be reused for multiple launches, saving time and costs. Its sleek structure and high-tech systems ensure every mission is precise, safe, and successful. Whether it's delivering satellites to orbit, supporting space research, or paving the way for future exploration, the Neutron rocket demonstrates how modern engineering is making space more accessible than ever. You'll also get a closer look at the rocket's innovative features, including its reusable stages and powerful propulsion systems, showing how Rocket Lab is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace. Spin Launch meets Spin Launch, an exciting new way to send objects into space faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Unlike traditional rockets that rely heavily on fuel, Spin Launch uses a massive centrifuge to fling satellites and small spacecraft at incredibly high speeds, giving them the momentum needed to reach orbit. In this video, you'll see how this innovative system combines precision engineering, advanced technology, and sheer kinetic energy to launch payloads with minimal fuel use, reducing costs and environmental impact. Its design is not only clever, but also opens up a whole new approach to space travel, making satellite launches quicker and more accessible. Perfect for space enthusiasts, engineers, and anyone curious about the future of space exploration, Spin Launch shows how creative technology can solve real-world problems in exciting ways. You'll get a closer look at how it works, from spinning the payload to controlling the launch with incredible accuracy, ensuring safety and efficiency every time. Think Orbital, Think Platform 3. Meet the Think Orbital, Think Platform 3, an amazing space platform built to make orbital missions smarter, easier, and more efficient. This futuristic system is designed to support satellites, experiments, and research in low Earth orbit and beyond, combining advanced technology with intelligent automation. Ultra 2XL Multi-Role UAS. Meet the Ultra 2XL Multi-Role UAS, a powerful and versatile drone built to handle a wide range of missions with ease. This advanced unmanned aerial system is designed for everything from surveillance and reconnaissance to cargo delivery and tactical support. In this video, you'll see how the Ultra 2XL flies with precision, using intelligent flight controls and advanced sensors to navigate safely and efficiently, even in challenging environments. Its long-range capabilities and adaptable payloads make it perfect for complex operations, allowing it to carry equipment, gather information, or support missions in real time. The drone's strong, high-tech design ensures it can operate reliably in different conditions while maintaining top performance. Voxon VX2XL. Meet the Voxon VX2XL, a revolutionary display that brings 3D visuals to life in a way you've never seen before. Unlike regular screens, this advanced system creates fully three-dimensional images that appear to float in midair, giving you a true holographic experience. In this video, you'll see how the Voxon VX2XL transforms gaming, education, medical imaging, and design by making complex visuals easy to understand and interactive. XPeng X2. Meet the XPeng X2, an exciting electric car built for the future of city driving. This compact vehicle is packed with smart technology, making every ride smooth, safe, and enjoyable. In this video, you'll see how the XPeng X2 combines sleek design with advanced features like autonomous driving assistance, smart navigation, and energy-efficient performance, all designed to make life easier for drivers. Its modern interior is comfortable and high-tech, with a user-friendly dashboard that keeps everything at your fingertips. Whether you're commuting through busy streets or taking a weekend drive, the XPeng X2 offers a quiet, efficient, and fun experience that's perfect for urban life. Beyond just being stylish, this car is eco-friendly, helping reduce emissions while giving you the thrill of driving a next-generation electric vehicle.